This is WIKISPEED, September the 4th, 2025. Go ahead, Michael.
It's Michael Walchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. Finally back in my own house. This week I have unfortunately nothing to report. I did get a temperature sensor installed outside up at the lake, so I can tell whether or not it froze because we cleared out all of our vegetables, the tomatoes and the cucumbers and stuff, just in case it froze. But it only got down to 8.5 degrees. So that's kind of a bummer. We could have got another week or two of growth. Um, so no progress this week on the Docker or the Little Red Wagon progress. And I also didn't get the Maslow CNC upgrade to 4.1 installed, which has been on my list for quite a while. Next week, I don't see much getting done. I'm hoping again to work on some Docker, but my evenings seem to be a lot more busy than I think they will be. And blocks is the part-time job and going back and forth to the lake. Weston's ball games and stuff have started up again, and my sister-in-law is not doing well. She is. We're going back and forth to visit her in what I expect are the last few weeks of her life here. So,
Sorry.
not happening. Not a lot of stuff happening on the WIKISPEED project. Anyway, over to you.
Yeah, okay. Lawrence Salter, Gulf Islands, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, I went to our Linux user group, and I turned on my laptop for the first time in since 2021. It's got Windows on it, but I'm going to use I'm going to back it up with Clonezilla and probably put a Linux distribution on it. And then, okay, my next step in troubleshooting the Vision chip was to get the version. It got stuck in something to do with the Python version, and so I needed to update or upgrade, and I wanted to back up before that. So I'm playing with Clonezilla, and I want to talk about Clonezilla in the crosstalk. And coming week, well, I'm going to be at the electric show and the memorial for a friend on Saturday and some other things on Sunday. We'll see what I get done next week. Yeah. Blocks are I need to get my travel plans solidified, and that's kind of the block right now. So back to you for retro.
Retro, I'm going to give myself a 2 for showing up at the meeting. And sounds like you're trying to get through some stuff. Maybe a 6 out of 10. I don't know. I'm definitely taking the team down on the average. And no process improvement. Back to you.
Yeah, okay, I'm going to give myself a 6 and the team a 6, and no process improvement at the moment. And yeah, okay, so that's it for that, and I'm going to stop recording.
Okay.
Just because I don't know what's going on with Zoom. It's been showing, yeah, I'm sure this message is going to stay on. And the only option is to say, okay, don't show if it's being recorded. Which I don't want to do. Anyway, so I'm stopping recording.